Imagine having a laser engraver in your workshop that not only delivers serious cutting power, but also behaves like a production-ready machine built for safety, speed, and precision. That's what the Creality Falcon2 Pro S 40W brings to the table. From the moment you open the lid, you see a large, fully enclosed workspace capable of handling serious materials and batch work while keeping you protected and efficient. With an optical laser output of 40 watts plus a fine 1.6W module for delicate work, this machine steps up from hobby gear into semi-professional territory. The build area of approximately 400 by 415 millimeters gives you ample space to process larger pieces, multiple items at once, or more ambitious projects. Whether you're engraving leather patches, cutting acrylic sheets, working metal blanks, or doing small production batches, this volume matters. One of the big differentiators is the inclusion of an autofocus system and a built-in camera for preview and alignment. You no longer guess where the beam will land. You see it before you fire it, preview it live, adjust the layout, and align accurately. That means less waste, fewer miscuts, and faster iteration. Add the Air Assist feature, which blows debris and smoke away from the beam path, and you'll notice cleaner cuts, sharper edges, and better results, especially when cutting or engraving thicker or darker materials. This machine is built with safety and workflow in mind. The enclosure meets Class 1 laser safety standards, so you're working inside a sealed unit with protective filtering and sensors. The top cover stop switch, flame detection, lens contamination monitoring, and airflow tracking all contribute to a safer operating environment. You don't worry as much about stray laser reflections, fumes entering your room, or losing focus during longer tasks. From a workflow perspective, the Falcon2 Pro S is ready. It supports major software such as Lightburn, Laser GRBL, and others, giving you familiar control, vector compatibility, raster image support, and flexible file formats. The compact footprint, the drawer for work debris, and the visual access through a transparent lid all mean fewer surprises during operation. If you're producing customized signage, jeweler blanks, leather items, or even doing prototype runs, this machine is set up with the details you need. Let's talk materials. You'll find that with the 40W module you can cut materials such as 18mm basswood or 15mm dark acrylic in one pass under the right conditions. Engrave stainless steel at thin thicknesses. With a fine module, you still get crisp engraving detail. That versatility opens up creative and commercial possibilities. Whether you're a maker selling goods or a designer prototyping parts, your tool is now more capable. In real-world use, you quickly appreciate how the Air Assist and enclosed setup reduce post-processing cleanup. Fumes and debris stay contained. Alignment is easier with the onboard camera, and the powerful diode laser reduces multiple passes. It adds up to higher throughput and more consistent results. If you invest time into calibration, ventilation, and proper materials, your output quality nears what you'd expect in a small production environment rather than just craft shop. Of course, every machine has trade-offs. The enclosure limits height a little. You may still want an external air filter setup if your workspace lacks ventilation, and as with all lasers, materials and settings control the results. But if you're stepping up from entry-level engravers, this is a meaningful leap in capability. When you consider the size of the work area, the optical power, the safety features, the focus camera, the Air Assist, and software compatibility, the Creality Falcon2 Pro S 40W emerges as a compelling tool for creators, small batch producers, and ambitious hobbyists. If you're ready to upgrade your capabilities, increase your output, and bring higher quality into your workflow, this machine is worth serious consideration. Use the link in the description to check current pricing, shipping details, and accessories that enhance your workflow. Your next level of production starts here.